Ladies and gentlemen, it is time that we drive the Porsche Taycan Turbo. 617 brake horsepower of goodness. A car that is so aerodynamic it could probably cut through anything you want. A wing that comes up, I believe, and that looks super slick. Alloys big enough to scare dogs off. I love this. Check this out. Oh, just look at that. Boys, I cannot wait to drive this car. Of course it's fully electric. I will put the specifications up right now. I've noticed on this windscreen, on the front windscreen, it's got like this chameleon tint. You actually can't, well you can, but you can't kind of like see inside it. Very cool element to the Porsche Taycan. And these lights, look at that. Guys, this car is just so nice. I feel like many EVs can't nail a proper driver's car, and I feel like this one might just be it. Let's check out the interior. Just take a seat in this. Right, you sit nice and low in this car. Oh, wow. Right, okay. Oh my God. Well, let's just turn off the climate first of all. Maybe I can't do that. Never mind, we'll do that later on. Guys, look at this. Take this in. Take this in for a second. Let's start it up. Power on. Memory seats. The whole setup in this car is mind-blowing. This car's done nearly 8,000 miles. You've got adaptive dampers. We'll test those out later on. Is that ride height? Okay. Infotainment system that is just fantastic. There's just so many features to this car that make it absolutely solid, and a car that is fantastic but yet very expensive. The Porsche key is still very similar to what you'd find in, you know, the older Porsches actually. That hasn't changed, and also this key accessory as well. But yeah, as for storage, this is a review at the end of the day. It's all right. Got some cup holders. What's this? How do we open this? I actually cannot open this. I don't know why. Well, I clearly don't know how to use a Porsche. And yeah, of course, the navigation is huge. Massive display. The materials up here. God, why are Porsche just so good at making cars? And you have, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different drive modes in this car. That's pretty excessive. From the moment you start up the Taycan and it delivers you this animation, you know you've stepped into something very special. Then you have this center console that locks you in but floats, leaving space beneath, and the only physical buttons being on the steering wheel and on the doors for you to prod. Something that breaks up the interior though is this portrait iPad looking screen which contains the volume controls. Yeah, there's no volume knob in this car, but there are some shortcut buttons for you to see your current battery percentage, which comes in pretty handy. Complaints aside, because clearly I love complaining, the Taycan is optional with a Burmester 3D high-end surround sound system with a total output of 1,455 watts and 21 individually controlled loudspeakers to ensure that first-class audio experience. I mean, the attention to detail from this car is absolutely astonishing. Anyway, not that anyone's really going to care. Let's just check out the rear seats and see what that's like. Frameless doors. Just look at these seats. Just take this in for a second, guys. Little screen down here. Cup holders that are very the only thing that's useless in this car are these cup holders, because what are you going to fit in that? Absolutely nothing. But it's just really nice place to sit in. The sunroof is huge, and yeah, a lot of good stuff. It is quite big as well, believe it or not. Let's just pop this in the boot and let's hit the road, go for a drive. Right, guys, now let's go for a drive. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. This is my second Porsche that I'm driving. I've driven the Porsche Macan S. And that car had a V6. It was nice. This car, fully EV, no noise. Right, it's ready to go. Let's just adjust our seating position because that's pretty important. Can we go forward? Okay, so let's start off in normal. Let's just keep it easy. Holy crap, this is good to drive though. I'm only going 60 miles per hour and I could, wow. I actually understand the reason why Porsche drivers just love this car. Honestly, I could feel like this car could do extremely high speeds around any type of circuit. Let's put a foot down. Holy crap. That was incredible. That was normal mode. Let's just go into sport. Actually, sport, yeah. Holy crap. Holy smokes. Sport plus. Make some noises. What? This is genuinely not normal. This is not normal. How is this a car? Oh my god, I understand why people love Porsches. This is obscene. This is genuinely obscene. The level of grip in this car is just crazy. And I'm catching up to an Alpine driver, and that car's rapid. Wow. Guys, this is crazy good. The brakes, the handling, everything about this car is just great. No way, it just went around that corner like that. There's no way. What? Traction control getting in there for me. This is a feeling you genuinely cannot explain, because it just should be illegal. The speed, the level of speed in this car, and the fact it just can hook up in any certain situation is mind-boggling. And the fact it's just so quick, it should be illegal on the roads. I'm telling you right now, this car just should genuinely be illegal. Like, I'm hooking around a corner like that at that speed. That should not be possible. That genuinely should not be possible. Four-wheel drive setup, of course. How am I catching up to an RS3, guys? I'm not even bloody trying at this rate. The brakes are just fantastic. Crikey. Oops. Guys, so that was the Porsche Taycan experience, and that is probably one of the best experiences of my life right there for you. There was no boost mode in this car. I was just about to say I didn't experience the boost mode, but we did experience the genuine craziness of what this freaking car is. Oh my. That just should not be.
I have switched on the ventilation.
Thank you, Porsche. That just should not be illegal. I mean, what? That should not be legal. I can't even get my words out. The way this car is set up, how Porsche, how do you even do this? I genuinely don't know how a car can be this good. I now know what that Porsche feeling is, and it feels great. I'm just gonna take a moment to just appreciate this. Boys, ladies and gentlemen, Porsche, whatever you do, please go out there and just try drive a Porsche for one day or an hour or 50 minutes, because it'll be the best day of your life. It will honestly change you. In fact, it's made me forget the fact that sound matters, which is incredible in itself. Normally, when I drove like a Fiat 500e, which is right there, I'd be like, the sound isn't there. It just feels weird. This car, I've completely forgot. And I think that just explains it enough for you. Anyway, look guys, thanks for watching. Hope you did enjoy. Actually, let's just check the maneuverability of this car. So pop it into reverse. Reversing camera is great. 360 cam, perfect. Anyway, look guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy. Hope you did enjoy. And I'll see you in the next one. See you later. Peace.